question: if someone wears a new clothing, if someone wears a new clothing item for the second time, but the first time he didn't own it, he was trying it at the store, can he make Shehecheyanu the second time?
Yes, 100%. If you try that in a store a few times, it's not yours, so it's theirs, right? So now the person is happy, right? The person is happy because he or she got the clothing to themselves. Yeah, that's when you say Shehecheyanu. Mm-hmm.